Palantir has been moving steadily, but recently there are signs that it's about to explode. But before this happens, there are a lot of things that could happen to the stock. This could be a rare window, and there might be an opportunity for retail traders to get rich. Analysts are saying good things about the stock, but how much do you really need? And is Palantir's recent growth even a good sign for their future? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. It's a rare opportunity to find a company that is still at its relatively early days. One of these companies today is Palantir, and this company has been making waves in their industry. From serving government agencies down to solving issues within huge private organizations and companies, Palantir's effect has recently been headlining the news. Since the beginning of 2023, companies using Palantir's technology have consistently outperformed their industry peers by a significant margin. While the average industry growth stands only at around 20%, Palantir-powered companies have surged by 33%. This outperformance isn't just a statistic. It's a powerful testament to the competitive edge Palantir provides. As Palantir's stock has soared by almost 4 times during this period, it's clear that investors have plenty to be excited about. This success isn't just about Palantir's own meteoric rise. What truly matters is the heavy commercial adoption of its technology, which is transforming the fortunes of its clients. Since the introduction of Palantir's artificial intelligence platform, commercial partnerships have grown significantly on a year-over-year basis. This rapid growth underscores how companies across various industries are increasingly relying on Palantir's solutions to stay ahead in their respective markets. But why should investors care about the success of companies that use Palantir's technology? The answer is simple. When Palantir's clients do well, it's a strong validation of the effectiveness of Palantir's tech stack. Investors would normally want these companies to thrive because their success directly reflects the impact and value of Palantir's offerings. It's not just about the companies within Palantir's ecosystem performing well. It's about the growing proof that Palantir is delivering tangible results. Consider industry leaders like Airbus in aerospace or Ferrari in automotive. These companies are leveraging Palantir's technology to gain a competitive edge. While some have faced challenges, others, such as Ferrari, have seen their stock soar by more than double. This trend highlights how Palantir is enabling its clients to outperform the competition, further solidifying its reputation as a pivotal player in the tech industry. For investors, this is a compelling reason to keep a close eye on Palantir's ongoing influence across various sectors. This is why it's no surprise that well-known stock analysts, such as KM Capital, still have positive views on Palantir despite the continuous rise of their stock, which could mean that it would be due for a consolidation soon. Palantir's fundamentals are undeniably strong and improving, with the company showing impressive growth across all key metrics. The operating leverage is solid, reflecting the company's ability to grow efficiently. However, after the recent bull run, a valuation analysis suggests that there may be little to no upside left in the meantime. Despite this, the long-term outlook remains bullish. Recent developments have been notably positive for Palantir, bolstering confidence in its future. The company's partnership with Microsoft is a significant milestone. Being chosen by Microsoft as a crucial technological partner is a strong testament to Palantir's quality and innovation. Wedbush Securities, another investment company, represented by analyst Dan Ives, shares this optimism, suggesting that the Microsoft partnership will strengthen Palantir's position in the federal sector. They've rated Palantir highly with a $38 price target. Similarly, Northland Capital sees strong potential in Palantir's AI operating system, driven by its ontology offering, setting a $35 price target. Now imagine this. Let's say you put $100 in for Palantir shares. It is currently at almost $32. If Palantir moves to the target price of $38, then you'll experience a growth of around 20%. Meaning, your $100 could grow to $120 if you catch it at the right time, and if Palantir breaks out. But remember, these are all speculations, and you should still be on the lookout so that your trading strategies will still be followed. And these seem like really good numbers for Palantir, so always be vigilant. However, if they do reach these numbers, then one of the reasons this could happen is because of their latest earnings presentation, which has further fueled this optimism. Palantir even surpassed the company's growth seen in the first quarter. Commercial revenue, particularly in the US, has been a significant driver, showing a significant year-over-year growth. Palantir's strong financial position, highlighted by a $4 billion cash reserve, underscores its stability and ability to invest in future growth. The management has even raised their anticipated revenue growth, which could be driven heavily by their commercial revenue, further strengthening the outlook. While the valuation may suggest limited immediate upside, this doesn't diminish Palantir's long-term potential. The company's fundamentals remain robust, and its strategic partnerships and financial health position it well for future success. All of these are even backed by other individual traders sharing their sentiment on social media. All of them have slightly different views on Palantir's stock, but they are saying the same thing. The price action of their stock is very exciting. They've been on the brink of breaking a really huge price ceiling. But be warned, since in the last trading session, the price has seen a small pullback. Is this a good thing? Or could this be a terrible trap for the normal everyday trader? Well, first, let's look at the numbers. A user on X has shared their analysis of the stock. Apparently, there are signs that could point to Palantir slowing down in a bit. It might be time to consider whether Palantir is primed for a pullback or not. So what are the important price points to remember according to the post? Well, if the stock closes around $31, there could be a bounce around the $27 range. And if it stays above the $27 price, then we might see new 2024 highs. To add to all this, another analyst has shared where the strong supports and the strong price ceiling that Palantir needs to break for it to fly. Apparently, if Palantir will be able to hold the support at $26, then it shows that investors are still bullish about the stock. And this could mean that they're about to bounce and be back on top. But for them to truly fly beyond their all-time high, this analyst says that the stock needs to break the $33 price ceiling, much like what the first analyst shared. These are some of the most exciting price actions we've seen with Palantir for a while. However, you need to do your own research and listen to your risk appetite, because there is nothing sure when it comes to stocks. But wherever Palantir goes, it cannot be denied that this development is really exciting for Palantir investors and those keeping an eye on the stock, especially for those who are normal everyday traders who are looking for a good price to enter. After all, whether Palantir's stock will do good in the near future or not, there's still the fact that the company constantly makes their partners better when it comes to managing their finances and operations in general. All these add up to a critical moment where the stock's next move could present significant opportunities. It could be because of these that an analyst from Motley Fool has shared that Palantir is a stock that people need to look at before it's too late. Why would they say this? What do they see in the company? Well, recently the company has seen a surge in contracts with corporate clients. Despite the current macroeconomic challenges affecting various industries, Palantir is gaining momentum as demand for its AI platform continues to rise. Palantir is strategically positioned to capitalize on the growing interest from enterprises looking to integrate AI into their operations while maintaining data security. This is why its work with the US government is so critical to its overall growth strategy. A key factor in Palantir's recent success has been its boot camps, which allow potential clients to test its products before signing a contract. These boot camps have shortened deal cycles significantly, enabling major customers to adopt Palantir's solutions quickly, which in turn gives the company a competitive edge. Over the past 4 years, Palantir's U.S. commercial customer base has grown from 14 to 295, reflecting its rapid expansion. On top of this, the AI market is poised for exponential growth, and Palantir appears well-positioned for continued success. This positive outlook is encouraging for investors, suggesting that the stock could deliver substantial gains in the years ahead. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.